they did the first one for you just to show. Oh, sorry. All right, so we have, this is a part-part net is what it's called. So you have your first part and then your second part for your addition equation. All right, so the first part here, how many counters do you see? 0. So trace over the 0. Trace the 0. All right, how many do you see in the second part, Mia B? 3. So we're going to say plus, trace the plus sign, and then trace over your 3. So first part is 0, plus our second part is 3. Equals, everyone trace the equals. And so how many counters do we have all together, everyone? It equals 3. So trace that 3. Simon, did you trace all that? All right. So now we're going to go down here to number 1. Okay, everyone's with me? Okay. Oh, hold on. All right, so again, let's do another way to make 3. So here. Oh, I have these cubes here. Well, that's okay. We'll just do this. All right, so they already did the first number for us. All right, how many do you see in that first part? I wish I had more hands up because I know you guys can see this, and I know you guys can see the numbers, so I need to see more hands participating. Thank you. Audra, how many are in the first part?
0.
What number did they already put here? 1. Yeah, because they already did 0 for us the first time. So now we're going to put 1 in the first part to match the 1 that they already gave us. Okay? So if I only want a total of 3, everybody, okay, I've got 1 in the first part plus, how many am I going to put in the second part? I already have 1. How many more can I use if I only have a total of 3? Because 1's gone now, why? Right? So if you show me 3 fingers, take 1 away because that's the first part. How many are in your second part, Olivia? 2. So look we're going to add 2 counters. Guys got that?
Yeah.
All right, so 1 plus, let's plug in the second number. It's 1 plus 2 equals, and how many does it equal? 3. All right, so our sum is 3. Again, just ways to show 3. Okay, so 1 plus 2 equals 3. Good. All right, now over here in our first part, they already gave us our counters. So how many counters do you see, Brayden, in the first part? How many in the first part? 2. So that's our first number. So 2 plus, how many are we going to put in the second part? So remember, ways to make 3. We already have 2. How many are left in the second part, Autumn? You want a total? No. Oh, how many?
1.
1. Very good. So we're going to add 1 over here in the second part of our mat. Because now all together, so it's 2 plus 1 equals, how many, everyone? 3. So again, our sum is only 3. Everyone got that? So again, this is called a part-part mat. 1 part plus the second part equals our whole. All right? So 2 plus 1 equals 3. All right. Once you guys got that, go ahead and flip your paper over to the back. Because we have one more way to show 3. Remember our pattern? We started with 0 in the first part. Then we had 1 in the first part. Then we had 2 in the first part. So now, what's going to happen? Does anybody know what's going to happen in the first part? In the beginning, we started with 0. Then we had 1. Then we had 2. Now how many are going to be in the first part?
3.
Say it loud. 3. So now, go ahead. I'm trying to move this up. There we go. In the first part, we're going to go ahead and we're going to draw 3. So we have 1, 2, 3 counters in the first part. So that's the first part of my equation. 3 plus, so how many are we allowed to put in the second part? I can only have 3. That's my sum. So how many can I put in the second part, Amelia? I already have 3, and I'm only allowed to have 3. I only have three counters, that's it. And I already used all 3. So my second part has to be,
3.
no, I can't put 3. I already used all 3. Okay? If I have 3 cubes here, that's my first part. It's going to equal 3. So what's the only number that I can put here?
4.
No, listen. My total is, sorry. Thought they were connected. All right, so 3 is my total. That's all I'm allowed to have. Well, guess what? I used all 3 already in the first part. So do I have any more cubes to use? No. So what number is going to go in my second part here, Amelia? 0, right? I have nothing else to use. So I used all of them already. So my second part is 0. Okay? So let's read this equation. It's 3 plus 0 equals 3. Awesome. All right. You guys got that? All right. So down at the bottom here, let me erase this. Let me move this up. Okay. They want us to show ways to make 5. So why don't we do this, guys? Get out 5 erasers at your seat. Maybe that'll help you if you have like 5 items in front of you. So get out 5 items, please. 5 erasers. 5 erasers, just so we don't have crayons rolling. So get out your baggie of erasers. Get out your baggie of erasers. Find it. And just get out 5. Just 5, and then close up your bag. 5 erasers, 5. Yeah, that's it. All right, Anthony, how you can get out 5 of anything? 5 pennies, 5 nickels, 5 Cheerios. Use something to 5. Okay, you guys ready? All right. I should only see 5 on your desk, and then your bag is just off to the side. It's closed. Okay, you don't need it. Just 5 in front of you. Oh, you have 5? What do you have? All right, because I don't want you playing with everything else. So just get out 5, and that's it. All right. So we're going to use those 5 to show different ways to make 5. All right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Good. All right. So here's what we're going to do. First number. All right? They gave us 3. So move 3 to the side. So you have a set of 3. That's your first number. So put that in front of you. Put it maybe right by the 3 if that helps you. Okay? You've got 3. Okay? Plus, how many is now going to be in your second group? How many do you have left, Gibby? 2. Very good. You have 2 left, right? So 3 plus 2. We're not playing with these. Here's your 3. Stop. Okay, leave them here. So 3 plus 2. Let's write it. And again, this is going to equal how many all together, Mia N? 5. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. Okay? Now, all we're going to do for the second equation, same numbers. But what are we going to do? What's a new equation I can make using the same numbers? Okay, what am I going to do, Bree? 2 goes first this time, plus 3. Awesome, Bree. Very good. Everyone's got that? So just switch the numbers, please. There we go. All right, everyone's got that? All right. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Good. Equals and 5. Got to write the whole equation. Okay, so now switch the numbers. Okay, you have nothing written. You have nothing written. Where's my equation? Stop playing with the erasers. Come on. Give me your erasers. Because now you're not making them right. You're not even doing it. What happened here? Where's your 3? Come on, you gotta stay with us. Just backwards. So this is very good. Let's hurry up. Yep, let's fix it. So 3 plus 0 equals 3. Okay, what do we do down here? Okay. Okay, so 3 plus 2. Let's write that in, right? right, kindergarten, listen. We're not playing with these. Let's go. Make your second equation. You already have 3 plus 2, so now switch it. Now what goes next? 2 plus the 3. So let's write it, okay? Kindergarten, everything's up on the board for you, but some of you are just playing with your erasers. I don't want to take them away. I want you to use them to help you, okay? So let's please use them the right way. Otherwise, I've got to take them, all right? Write your equations as I'm writing it so you don't get behind, all right? Okay, again, we're going to do another way to make 5. So you have all 5 erasers in front of you, right? Okay, this time, we don't know what the first number is, but look it. They said plus 4. So put 4 off to the right. That's your second part. So what's your first part going to be? If you have 4 over here, make a set of 4. Make a set of 4. That's your second part. What's your first part going to be? Everybody show me on your hands. Show me with your fingers. How many is in your first part? No, this is your second part. Okay, how many is in your first part? How many do you have left in front of you? You have a set of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, where's your other eraser? You should have 5 erasers, right? There you go. That's a problem if you don't have all 5. So how many's in the second part? This is 4. How many's in the second part? Okay. All right, so everybody say it together. How many's in the second part? 1. Okay, if you have 5 erasers in front of you, you should have made a set of 4. And what's left is that 1. So our equation is 1 plus 4 equals 5. Oh, I need more kids participating today. I know this is a lot of numbers and things all over, but just follow with me and you'll be just fine. So who can tell me what my new equation is going to be? Same numbers. Let's just change the order. All right, Elena, what's it going to be?
4 plus 1 equals 5.
You got it. Same numbers, we just switched the order. 4 plus 1 equals 5. Let's not play. Let's write it in. Good. Good job. Got it? Let's fix this desk. All right. Does everyone understand? All right. You need to write this in. So now switch the order, right? Good. 4 plus 1. Good. We switched it. All right. Oh, Olivia, you don't have anything written. Where's your second equation? Got it? You got your second equation? Good. You got it? Okay. Switch the order. All right. Okay. You guys ready for the last one? Okay. So now for number 6, it says, go ahead and write a pair of matching equations that equals 5. So guess what? You get to decide now which one you want to do. What's the only one we haven't done yet? We did 3 and 1. We've done, we've done 4 and 1. We've done 3s and 2s. What haven't we done yet? Let's do the first one together. All right. What's another way to make 5? So put all 5 erasers down in front of you. What's another one that we can do? I have a couple of you with hands up that think you know. We've done 1 and 4 and 4 and 1. We've done 3 and 2 and 2 and 3. What's the only other way to make 5, Simon? Okay, think about it, think about it. Addie, what do you think? 0 and 5. Okay, so let's start with 0 plus 5 equals 5, right? So if 0 plus 5 equals 5, what am I going to put for the second equation? I'm just going to flip the order, right, Bree? So what's it going to be? 5 plus... No, not 5 plus 5. No, that's 10. So 5 plus 0. There you go. Equals 5. Good. So that's the only one we didn't do yet. Got that all written in, Paul? We did 0 plus 5 equals 5, but then also 5 plus 0 equals 5. Okay, you guys all have that? I know that's a little confusing. It gets a little, there's a lot of numbers going around, but as long as you remember that all you have to do is flip and switch the numbers, that's 2 different ways to already get the same answer. All right? Okay, guys, please turn that paper back to the front where your name is so I can collect it.